So in this video, you'll learn how to enter and exit recovery mode on your OnePlus 13. So the first step is to switch off your phone. And so just access the power off menu by pressing on the volume up and the power button like this. And then once you've pressed on them, swipe down to select power off. And then just wait for the phone to turn off. Once it's been turned off, you then want to press simultaneously on the power button and volume down button until the logo appears on your screen, and then release the buttons when the recovery mode menu appears. So power button, volume down, and then just press on them at the same time. Keep pressing. Ignore the logo that appears on your screen. Keep pressing until you see the recovery mode menu appearing. And then once it's appeared, you'll then be prompted to choose the language you want to use in recovery mode. So use the volume down button until you highlight your preferred language. And then if you want to use English, just look for it. And then once it's highlighted like that, use the power button to select it. Then from here, once you've chosen your language, you've successfully entered recovery mode, then you should see the different options that are available for you to choose from. So you have power off, reboot device, format data, and those are the main options in recovery mode. If you want to go back to select a different language, just tap on this back button and then choose another language that you would prefer to use. Then if you're ready to exit recovery mode, ensure that you've used the volume down button to highlight reboot device. And then from here, you want to use the power button to select it. And then you'll be prompted that you want your device to reboot. Just tap on OK to confirm your choice. Once you've done that, you've then successfully exited recovery mode. So just wait for your phone to restart. And then once it's restarted, just unlock your device and you've successfully entered and exited recovery mode on your OnePlus 13. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.